Get out of here.
Be nice.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a look with y'all. So I swear he's being so mean. Alright, so today I'm going to be
everybody, I'm going to be using the Juvia'S mini palette. And it looks like this. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love this palette. Chandler bought this for me for Christmas, and now I'm just not using it.
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna drink my drinkity drink.
Can I have some more water out of your water bottle?
See, she's gonna be mean to me, by me being mean, and then have to just drink some of my drink.
You ain't gonna drink it. Oh, move my thing. Alright, so today I'm going to use my Juvia'S Place palette, the Mini Magic. And I was thinking about using some of the red tones and maybe that color right there. This pink. It's kind of red. I don't know, I kind of want to do like a full eye look with just the colors in here. I've got some makeup on right now. I've just got like eyeliner, mascara, my little bit of eyebrow stuff, and I've got a little something on my lids. I think it's a Bobbi Brown eyeshadow pencil, and then I put a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, but that's it. So let me put my contacts in real quick because I forgot to do that, and I'll be right back. I've been gone for like 5 or 10 minutes because I could not find my other pair of contacts because I ripped the ones as I was trying to put it in my eye. I'm going to go into my Juvia'S palette. I'm going to go into Nana and Cassie. And I guess I'm not priming today, huh? I should have probably put a base on. Alright, so now I'm going to go into Zakia. Right there.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone.
Alright, and then now I'm going to go into Kogi to kind of make it more red. And I've been using the exact same brush for all this. It's the Morphe M514.
Call me on my cell phone.
Okay, now I'm gonna go back into Cassie with this big Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges.
And I know in that holiday that could only mean one thing.
So now I'm going to take this other Morphe brush. Most of my Morphe brushes have come in sets, so this is just like I think it came in one of those travel case things or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Zakia again right there, and I'm just going to fluff this a little bit more into the crease.
And I know in that holiday that could only mean one thing.
I just grabbed a couple of the ColourPop Super Sharp shadows. So this is the one in So Cliche. It's supposed to be like cliche, but cliche. And then Hammered. I thought that since I was doing kind of like a copper reddish eye, that I would add some green. And this one's really pretty. Like this one is green too. Well, actually no. Well, it is kind of green. It's broken because I got it off the sale thing on ColourPop. But is this the one that I was gonna use? Yeah. So like, I mean, like, I can definitely tell a difference, like, in person. Like, this one's definitely, like, more purpley. Anyway. And I've also got this one. This one looks more reflective. I've got my Makeup Revolution thingies that I have. And they came with like the little mixing medium thing. So it's like a little mixing medium. It's called Intensifying Primer. And I'm gonna try and see what happens. I'm gonna take, this is a Morphe brush again. And I'm just taking some of So Quiche. It's spelled like a quiche though. Like, is that how you spell quiche? I don't know. Let's see what happens.
Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now.
Y'all, we've been watching or I feel like I've been watching like the best movies ever. Like, cause I have been off work since Saturday and today is Monday. Oh Lord, what have I done? So we've been watching a lot of movies, and Chandler was off on Saturday and he was off today. I haven't been having to go to sleep as early as I normally would if I had work the next day. I think it looks okay, but I kind of wanted more of a green color. So we've been watching like Hairspray, and I watched Mamma Mia. I still have not seen the second Mamma Mia yet, and I really want to see it. And we watched Sex and the City, and what else have we watched? I've watched Sex and the City twice. We watched Pretty in Pink, The Parent Trap. We talked about watching Hunger Games, but we never got around to it. Okay, so since I want it to be more green, I don't know if this is going to be a mistake or not, but I'm going to take this Yara shade right here. Maybe a little bit of this shade too. Buzzo. I'm going to take a little bit of both. I'm nervous.
Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now.
Okay, and I think I will highlight with Boranu, that color, the gold color, after I'm done with everything else. So let's get on to the face. So I'm going to use my Cover FX, but I just went everywhere. Like it's all over my leggings. Blurring primer. I really wish y'all could have seen what just happened. I'm going to be using the Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear. And I'm also going to mix some of this Tarte Double Duty Beauty, the Shape Tape.
Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor.
Sorry if y'all can hear my dog. She's trying to get comfortable in the bed over here. And I'm going to use my Too Faced Peach Perfect. I haven't used this in a little bit. I love this powder. And I did see where they came out with new shades of it. So like, I think this is the translucent. And it's just called mattifying loose setting powder. It doesn't really have a shade. It might be like the translucent. It probably is. But anyway, they came out with new shades. How everybody else is coming out with new shades of everything as well, so might as well, I guess, huh? Well, Chandler's asleep, huh? I need some new contour. But I mean, I paid so much for this, I hate not to use it, you know?
Hanging with some girls I never seen before.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to use Koji. as a blush. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna try. It's very pigmented. It's pretty. Oh my gosh, this is real pigmented. Y'all, I'm telling you, I look like a clown right now. It does not look good on the monitor. Oh yes, it does. On this side. Wait, no, on this side. It literally looks like I have a sunburn, like in real life. I think I'm gonna finish my eyes. We're just going all over the place. So I'm gonna dip into Zakia and Nana. Go under the eye. I'm going for like extra smoky. I'm gonna add some of that back. Okay, now I'm gonna take that Buzzo shade and the Yara shade and just dip into those just a little bit. So now I'm gonna add some shimmer with the Baranu, the gold color. Ooh, the Nubia color would be pretty. Should I do it? This one. Should I do it? I'm gonna do a little bit. Ooh, I like that. You know, it'd look cool if I could do like the thing with like, am I gonna try? It's kind of easier because this pencil brush is kind of, it's not really soft. That blush is just, it's real intense, y'all. Now I want to kind of lay down a highlighter. So this is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in Be My Highlight. So this is just a really pretty like glow from within. Then I'm gonna take my Sleek makeup. Yes, I know the mirror is broken. Chandler stepped on it, but I'm gonna take, oh me, I'm gonna take this shade right here and put it on. Ooh, I have this eyeliner. It's in the shade Get Paid. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to do my eyebrows. Just gonna add a little bit more and add some more eyebrow gel in there. So I'm just gonna fast forward this.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when
So now I'm just going to spray my face with just some Mario Badescu. Do I want to put liner on? I think liner would kind of pull it all together. I have not had the best of luck with these lashes, even though I bought 2 packs of 4. Yay me. I think, like, I didn't have a good time with this first pair, so I think I'm just going to throw them out. And we're gonna go on to the second pair down here. And we're gonna see if these go on any better. I mean, they look like they fit my eyes pretty well. So let's see how this goes.
when the highlight I could only never think. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong.
So I feel like those went on a little bit better than the other ones that I just threw out. I'm gonna wipe this Comex off. And I think I've got my lip color. It's a Bite lipstick, like a Bite lip pencil in Glace. So looks like this.
Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got.
I think that looks good, but I think I want to add gloss on top. So I've got my Wet n Wild Libra gloss, and I think I'm just gonna, just a little bit. I don't know why. Like, that's a pretty poppy inner corner. But like, I want more. Ooh, would it be cool if I put some on my cheekbones, or would that ruin the whole thing? I'm gonna take this Duo Fiber brush. It's by Luxie Beauty, I think. Yeah, it's by Luxie. It's just a smaller one. Y'all, I'm scared. You can see that. You can see it on my nose. Oh my gosh, what have I done? Oh, yep, there it is.
You got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport.
It's like the Fenty Beauty one. Like, literally, that's the color of the Fenty Beauty highlight. I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I really do. Like, I just, you know, love playing with makeup. Because I love makeup. I love doing my makeup. And if I get to share it with other people, then that's just 10 times better. So anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.